Fable 5 is currently one of the most powerful publicly available AI models. Using it with Higgsfield, I've been able to create some of the best images, videos, and ad campaigns.
This is like hiring a genius who forgot to bring arms to work.
It is, you can do all of this without ever leaving the Claude app. On its own, Fable 5 is the best model I've used at understanding what you actually mean because it reasons through your ideas like a creative partner. But thinking isn't making.
So this AI can imagine the perfect image in insane detail, but ask it to actually make one, nothing. Total ghost town. So he plugs in a second AI that does the making, and now they're a dream team.
You can describe the perfect images all day long, but you still don't have that perfect image. The Higgsfield MCP fixes that. It plugs Higgsfield image and video models directly into Claude. So when Fable 5 has an idea, it writes the prompt, then using Higgsfield, it will pick the right model and generate the results.
And wait till you see how stupidly easy it is to connect them, like 1 minute easy.
Higgsfield with Claude takes about a minute. You'll first head over to the first link down below to sign up for a Higgsfield account. Once you have an account, go to the second URL, because this is where you can grab the URL that you need for the Higgsfield MCP. You'll find that right here.
He copies one link, opens the connectors menu, and pastes it in. That's it. That's the whole tutorial. No coding, no downloads, no crying into your keyboard at 2 a.m.
So copy this down and then head back over to Claude. On the left, click on Customize, and then click on Connectors. On the top right, on this drop-down, select Add Custom Connector. For the name, put in Higgsfield, and then paste in the second field the URL that you just copied.
But here's where most people mess up. They ask for images way too early.
And in Cowork. Here, I'll make sure Fable is selected, and I'll give it this prompt telling it I'm putting together a brand campaign for a fictional trail energy drink called Summit Fuel. I give it the vibe, it's for people who hike and climb.
Instead of yelling, make me a cool image, he makes the AI think first. Brand concept, can design, campaign idea, all before a single pixel exists. It's like writing the recipe before throwing food at the oven.
And I'll ask it to first develop the creative direction, like the visual style and the can design and the overall campaign concept before it generates the hero shot. And now just a few moments later, and let's see what it's done. So first, it gave us that creative direction. It came up with a brand concept.
And that homework pays off big when he asks for image number 2.
So I think this is perfect. But of course, we don't just want one image. We need a few images. So now I'll ask it to create a new image of the exact same can in a different location. That way we can test how well this is able to maintain that consistency.
Normally you ask for the same can twice and get 2 different cans. Awkward. But watch this. Same product, brand new location, zero identity crisis, no starting over, no begging the AI to remember what it just made.
While generating new images. And here's what we got now. The exact same product, but now in a different environment. So using this, you can now iterate on your existing product images and create new ones.
But a floating can won't sell itself. This campaign needs a face.
Needing to start over from scratch. I think though, we need a face for this ad campaign. So I'm going to tell Fable to create a brand character for Summit Fuel. This will be a woman in her 30s. She's a trail runner. She's warm, a little sun-weathered.
One prompt. A trail runner in her 30s, wearing the brand colors, and she stays the same person across the entire campaign. No casting calls, no photo shoots, no, sorry, I'm busy that day.
And she's wearing gear in our brand colors. So I want a portrait of her on a ridge line holding the can.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind the scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
She'll appear throughout the entire campaign, so it's consistent from now on. And there we go. That looks incredible. So now let's create another image.
Now he's got a product and a star. Time for the grand finale.
But let's finish this off now. I'll tell it to take everything we've built and create an 8-second video ad for Summit Fuel. I want the character coming over a summit at sunrise, opening up the can, and a quick product shot with the ending tagline, earned energy.
One prompt. Sunrise, summit, character opens the can, tagline drops. 8 seconds later, it looks like a real commercial. Even he sits back like, yeah, I'm really happy with that.
Really wanted to feel cinematic. And here's what we got, so let's watch it together. Yeah, I think that looks awesome. I'm really happy with that.
Turns out the view from the summit is pretty sweet when 2A is carry you up. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.